Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix error code 403 on Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is, if you have a VPN on your phone, you want to turn off your VPN. Okay, then you want to go into settings. Okay, let me just go to the home. Okay, go to settings and then click on apps. Then I'll just search for Roblox. Okay, tap onto Roblox, go to storage, and then clear the cache. Okay, and then the last thing you want to do is go find the Roblox app, long press onto it, uninstall it, go to the Play Store or App Store, search, and you want to search for Roblox, and you want to tap on it, and then you want to reinstall Roblox. Okay, if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.